You give me a reason of my being, and I love what I'm feeling. And it all begun when I met you. Hey, oh my god, I'm excited to do this intro. This is my first ever video of recommending or like giving you guys a haul of the books that I bought. And these books are commonly Wattpad books. I have the most shiny, shimmering, splendid face. Some of these books are Tagalog and some are Taglish. Taglish means Tagalog and English, and I also have books that are pure English. So starting off with the my favorite publishing house, which is Pulp Fiction. Yes, I love, by the way, how their books looked, and yeah, it's just so clean. It's so fresh. Like you guys can't smell the pages right now, but I'm obsessed with the pages. It's just so good. And I'm not gonna say that I like their covers and their drawings, but I love the stories that they publish. I mean, look at this. It's so animated. It's so animated, but it's okay. I haven't read this one. I have like the series of these books, like series of books, and I haven't bought it since I couldn't find it. So these are the whole series of the Cosmopolitan Brides series. I bought this for 149. I bought this like pre-love or something. Those Shopee sellers that I don't know that are true legit sellers, but when I message them, they're true. And supposedly this book is 225, but now I bought this for like 140 plus the shipping. Yes, including the shipping. Shipping. So I bought this book for 149 including the shipping. This book is the latest release of the Cosmopolitan series, and this book is entirely English books. Just look at this cover, bro.
Eh, 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 eh.
It's good. I mean, this I haven't finished reading it yet since I wanna cherish the moment while reading this. I'm almost in the end, so I have to like cherish the moment, and I have to do a lot of things in our house and school, so I'm not gonna be reading this now. I'm probably gonna be reading this, like finishing it all on my day off days in school. Fall exam is almost coming up, and then after that we're probably gonna have few breaks, so I'm gonna be reading that. But this book is so fucking hard to find since it's a limited edition book. So these are the other two books that I have in the Cosmopolitan series. This one, I bought this for 250 including the shipping. I'm actually a big fan of Shopee. I love Shopee. There you go. It's so pretty, right? I haven't read this, but I went to the description and I already like this the no the whatever it said there. It's so freaking clean. And they said this one is like rare books in this series also. And I got them like super duper easy and super duper cheap. I looked to the official website of Pulp Fiction books, and these books cost like 200 something each, 200 each, and I got this for like 250 with shipping. This two books, 250 with shipping, like who does not want that? It's so freaking good. As you can see, it is so animated. It is so kinkoyesh. This story is created on 2012 something. So these are the previews or the first print of this book. And I just got this from Shopee, of course. Kind of disappointed by some of the qualities of the books that I bought from her. It has the previous name of the honor. And please don't ghost me, and I'm hoping that you're still not dead. Whoever you are, hi. This one is a pure Tagalog book. It's so cute. One thing I like about pop fiction books before is that it's just like so child friendly. Like The way it's in drawing is so child friendly, but do not read the books. Like it's so child friendly, you can see that, but do not read what's in the like I read the few pages of this book, and it's super 18 plus. Content is not suitable for readers below 16 years old. Fuck that, I even read 18 plus books. Sorry, I'm just super duper open minded. I read those books, but I do not like, I'm not vocal about it in the in my everyday life. So I read Wattpad books that is somehow smart, somehow isn't, and I watch BL that is smart, and somehow there's not smart in it. And yeah, I'm not very vocal about it, and my people, if ever that person is vocal about its interest, that is the same as mine, then that's how I'm gonna be vocal about it also, because it's inappropriate for me to say those words that I watch and read smut. Not a lot of people can understand that. Why I do that? I don't know, because they're like fun. Sorry. Despite my age, I'm so sorry. Anyways, I'm just being vocal here in this YouTube channel to be like, I have like a freedom in this YouTube channel. So this next book is called The Activate that I just recently read, and this one is amazing. But when I bought it, I was like kind of disappointed by the quality. Look at that. Compared to the other book that I bought from the exact same shop. Yeah, so I forgot to tell you all. Side note, the books that I had right now comes from different shops in Shopee. You just really have to look for the right shop. You really have to message the seller and anything, but this one is kind of like disappointing. I bought this for $1. Yes, $1. So this is like an IU. You know, an IU book stories that comes with these messages. I do not like reading those ones because it's kind of boring. They don't explain how things work in the book. But this one, I'm kind of feeling good with this one because there's like other words right there, not just all in a IU form and text messages form. So this one is kind of entertaining. I like this one. It's so entertaining. This this isn't smut, okay? Wait, this one is Tuglish, yeah. It doesn't have any smut on it, but it does look like it has like a romance on it. Some romance, some. I am not focused on the romance of these two people. I am like focused on the storyline and the plot that the writer gave is so freaking amazing. I like this one. It's like a very mild Wattpad book. I recommend this to all the new readers. Oh, it says you're 18 plus. That's illegal for me to read it. I already read that. So next is Dear Love Bag. I am confused. I don't like books that has so much characters in it with super duper long names, and this book has so freaking a lot of characters, bro. This book has a lot of characters, and I don't even give a fuck about those names now because I already forgot. And it's just so hard for me to read it because there's like a lot of POVs, and I'm not even in the half of the book yet. I'm still like in this page, like super little pages, because I don't really. It's so cute. I prefer having a POV with the two characters instead of the whole characters. It's confusing, and there are like a lot of characters in your list. So meet Dara and Aiko, Elo and Venice, Clinton and Venice, Thunder and Chen, Storm and Araya, and Clifford and Chelsea. 16 couples trying to navigate the twists and turn of young love. See, it's confusing. And every pages it has different types of POVs, and I'm just so confused with the name. Teen fiction. So this doesn't have anything that's super duper adult in it. Read this if you're also a beginner, but if you have a short term memory, don't read it. Yee. I bought this for like 99 pesos since I don't know what's the story, so it's like a mystery book, something. Anyways, I'm gonna be linking the shops where I bought all of these books. down below and make sure to check it because I want you to read it also. If you're a Filipino, yeah, but if you're like an English native English person, don't read it. I have more. I have a lot of books. This one is a clock. It's like clock. How do you pronounce that? Croc, clock, cock, clock, clock. So this is like fantasy thriller type of book, and I haven't read it. My friend gave it to me. Judging by the quality, my friend didn't have a good time with this book. Now, what is up with that? This one is another Pulp Fiction Originals. It's another thriller, fantasy, and kind of disappointed because fuck. See, how am I supposed to read this when I have like to? Mm, mm, mm. It's like the pages are wet and then they dried and they give it to me. It's like hardened and something. It's just so hard to open. But this one is pure English. It's Helios Morders. Okay, let me read the description. Y'all, yes, she is hot. Like, look at that. I'm not gonna sexualize it. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I just like how pretty she is. I'm not gonna make it sound like I'm a groomer. And one thing I like about Puff Fictions is that they had pictures in their books. Like, mm-hmm, they have pictures. And other publishing house, they don't. This one is a Tuglish. It's called Red, and my friend, and she doesn't took care of this book. Shout out to my friend right there. This book is so pretty. I mean, she's so pretty. So this is all of my pop fictions collection. I was supposed to do a Wattpad book hauls, but this isn't Wattpad anymore. This is pop fiction. It's so pretty. Pop fiction books I bought with my own money. These are the pop fiction books that my friend gave it to me. So that's pretty much it for today's video, and I hope you guys enjoy this video as much as I do, and I bet you're gonna buy your first ever book now. Bye.